Viral shredding ASMR videos are getting huge attention on social media right now. And look at this YouTube channel. It posted videos like this and gained 4.43 million views Kami. And this creator's video has already crossed millions of views. The best part is, you can recreate this format with AI for free. First, open the master prompt from the video description. Just copy and paste the exact prompt into ChatGPT. Hit enter. ChatGPT will give you several viral shredding ideas to choose from. Pick the idea you like most. Then copy and paste it back into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and that's it. ChatGPT will generate the exact image prompts and video scenes for you in seconds. Now it's time to generate the video. First, open Google Flow and click on New Project. Now select the image you just created. Paste your exact image prompt into the prompt box. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, once your image is ready, open ChatGPT and copy your first scene prompt. Then head back to Google Flow. Select the video option and choose Omni Flash. Set the video duration 8 to 10 seconds. Just paste your prompt into the box. Click Generate Your Video, will be ready in just a few seconds. And that's it. We're done. Now let's check the final result.